We start with the picture.
Jackie, straight down.
Just do bites and then just one last one out there.
Which one?
Just bites out here and then just one separate bite out there.
Okay, cool. Thank you so much for having me here. No, well, there was the Best Judge Award, which did go to, I'm not going to say, you'll find it in the show, but it was amazing because that was also one of my co-judges, and it's just such an honor to be here. Hi. At the Petal Awards, you know, and I did Jhalak this year, so it's like, it's just being great associated with television and colors, so I'm very happy. कितना एंजॉय किया, बहुत मज़ा आया। नहीं, एक्चुअली एक परफॉर्मेंस देखा और बहुत मज़ा आया क्योंकि मनीष पॉल और फारा खान होस्ट थे, and Karan also was with me, and we really enjoyed, and it was fantastic. It was a lovely night. Very excited. Yes, it's super exciting. I mean, you know that the film industry is growing so much, and we're able to move around the world, and so yeah, it's a good thing.
Are you expecting any award for this?
I think it's an amazing thing to be nominated, but you know, I think the most important thing about attending the awards is just to kind of celebrate with everyone. All your co-stars are there, everyone's partying, and of course to celebrate with the people who win the awards, who deserve it. So that's very important for me.
This year is very big for you. Four big movies is going to release of yours. Juba 2, Drive, short movie.
Yes.
Reload. And one Sri Lankan and
yes.
Matthew is here, right?
Matthew is releasing. Yes, I mean Sony Films. You know, I think from a long time, I mean, you know, it's been a couple of years now, and it's fantastic because this is exactly what I want. I want to just I want to keep working. I want to keep releasing films. I want to keep making films, and this year I think is the most number of films I'll be releasing this year. So I'm wearing Gauri and Nynika today. And one of my favorite designers from here, so yeah.
We heard also that Siddharth, which is there in your Reload. वो डेट एक्टिंग शूटिंग की डेट नहीं दे पा रहे हैं, Reloaded को उनका जो शूटिंग बाकी है, ऐसी भी बातें आ रही हैं।
शूटिंग बाकी है?
जी, या प्रमोशंस की डेट नहीं दे पा रहे हैं बिकॉज ऑफ उनकी पिक्चर आ रही है इत्तेफाक सोना सिस्ना के साथ।
Actors are always busy. लेकिन प्रमोशन का डेट्स दे सकते हैं हमेशा।
Recently, Akshay Kumar get a national award. What do you want to say? National award मिला अक्षय कुमार को उस film के लिए। Akshay and Nirja for.
Nirja, of course. I mean, I already I think it's an amazing thing. I think finally I'm so happy, Akshay was given this award, because I always felt Akshay deserved an award for the work that he contributes to cinema, and I was really, from my heart, I was really happy for him that he won that. And of course with Neerja as well winning a special mention, it's so important that we know such films are being made and what they've done. So
Do you think अलीगढ़ को भी अवार्ड मिलना चाहिए और वो ज़्यादा डिजर्विंग करती थी, बहुत सराहा गया नेशनल को बहुत अवार्ड्स में?
I think the awards that were given were, I mean, we need to accept that, and we need to be happy for the people who won their awards.
पहले आप दबंग 2 का पार्टी थी, अब आप जा रही हैं सलमान ने
कौन सा party?
दबंग में आप
Tour. World Dabang tour?
World
No. I was not part of it. I was not part of it. Thank you. Okay.